I'm Anil Kumar. We are discussing how to solve quadratic equations when we have unknown constants involved. The question here is solve for x by completing the squares. 2x plus k equals to kx square. Now, by completing the squares is kind of a hint for you. Normally, that may not be given in the test paper, right? So we have the equation here, which is 2x plus k equals to kx square. We need to solve for x. So let us write this with 0 on the left side and all these terms on the right side. So we get 0 equals to kx square minus 2x minus k. Now to complete the squares, I need to factor k. So I'll factor k. I'm left with x square minus 2x divided by k, right? When you factor this out, minus k. Now to complete the squares, what should I do? Next step is half of this number. We have to square, add and subtract that term, right? So we get x squared minus 2 over kx. Let me write like this. Half of this number will be 1 over k, right? So we have to add and subtract 1 over k square minus k. So that gives us first three terms as a perfect square. Could be written as x minus 1 over k, right, whole square, and 1 over k square will be minus 1 over k square within brackets minus k. Now let's open the bracket. So we get k times x minus 1 over k whole square, and here when you multiply by k you get 1 over k minus k. Correct. Now this could be, now we need to solve for x. So let me rewrite this as, let me take it to the left side. So I get k plus 1 over k equals to k times x minus 1 over k whole square. Now you could actually take k as a common denominator, right? Let me do it like this. Then you get k square plus 1, correct. Now in this equation we have k there. So let me show you how to solve this equation on the right side, right? So what we really have here is k squared plus 1 over k equals to k times x minus 1 over k whole square. We can divide by k. In that case we get k squared plus 1 over k square equals to x minus 1 over k, now whole square, right? So now we can square root. So if I square root this, what do I get? I get plus minus square root of, k square plus 1 divided by k square equals to x minus 1 over k. Now we can find what x is, bringing 1 over k on the left side. So we have 1 over k plus minus square root of k square I could take as k. So I write there as square root of k square plus 1 divided by k. K is a common factor. So I could write x as equals to k, and I have 1 plus minus square root of k square plus 1. Do you see that? So that becomes the solution of this equation in general. Do you get the idea, right? So that is how we can actually solve. Now the question for you is find values, all possible, right? All possible values of k so that the equation has two solutions, right? So that is the question for you. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.